I'm doing a video on how to use the Geoboard on Toy Theater website. I first just wanted to summarize kind of where we've come from since the Christmas break, and we've done math and patterns using pattern blocks, building different images and such. And then we moved on to tangrams, which are a variety of different shapes used to build pictures as well. So both pattern blocks and tangrams have been used in the past kind of month or two to kind of build that geometry and shape skill. As we move into measurement, I am hoping to do a few lessons on using a Geoboard. And some of your classrooms may have had Geoboards in them, or this might be the first time that you are seeing what a Geoboard looks like. I'm just trying to find a really good picture here. Oh, here's one. So just bring this up. So a geoboard is sort of like a square base with a bunch of, it could be tacks or nails or just kind of little stubs sticking out of it. And then you use different colored elastics and you just build shapes. You can build pictures, kind of anything you want on the geoboard with just different kind of lengths of elastics. So just as I scroll through the page here, you can kind of get an idea of what the Geoboard is and what you can do with the Geoboard. So there's a variety of pictures over here. I think there was a really good, so you can do just a bunch of different pictures on a Geoboard as well and build your own sort of shapes and turn those into pictures too. So I am going to get you guys to work on the Toy Theater website using the Geoboard. So this is what it looks like here. And you can pick from all these different colors down below here. Right now it looks like I think I'm on orange, but you can go red, yellow, any color you want. And then as soon as you click, it starts. And then you just click whatever shape you want to build. So I just built a triangle. That's one form of a triangle. There's another one. You can build a square. You can change the color if you want. Another fun thing, whoops, look at that. So that's what happens. I'm just going to finish this triangle here. The bottom row of buttons here moves the last shape that you were just working with. So you can see I'm moving it. You can make it big, you can bring it back down. You can turn it one way or turn it back the other way. You can make another one. Whoopsies. Jeez. By duplicating it. That's what the plus sign there means. Just means it makes another one. And right here where it says array 10 by 10, that is for the kind of square box that you're working with. You can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down that side. So it's a 10 by 10 square that you're working with here, but you can go ahead and change it to any one of these, and you can just kind of play around with it. So I hit triangles and then really good for making triangles like that. You can make bigger triangles if you want. Back up. Once you're, oops, let me just get it back on array. Once you are sort of been playing around and you want to delete and start again, just hit the trash bin icon here, and then it'll ask you to clear the canvas and it'll clear it again. Here's random, so then it builds random. Look at, you can make a crazy shape if you really want to. That. And then it's always fun once you have a few shapes on there to change the kind of dot background, and you can see just how different it could look. So for the first couple days, you're going to be just sort of playing around with this website and trying to build the different shapes on the Geoboard. And what you could even do actually is, if you are finding that you're getting a hang of it really quick, you could always just Google image pictures. So for instance, say this piece of paper here is showing a bunch of different pictures that you could try to replicate or make yourself. Another good one too is you could try to spell your name if you wanted to. It could be hard, but so I could put, whoops, let's go back. So I can do an M to start with Mrs. Right, so you could try, if you wanted to, spelling your name. Obviously with letters like S or C or B, anything that has sort of a curve in it might be a bit hard to when you're using the array 10 by 10, but you can just try, just do your best. And like I said, you can also just look up different pictures that you can do on the Geoboards and try to replicate some of those pictures. Okay, so take a couple days and just get comfortable using the Geoboard, and like I said, you can change it through the different kind of arrays, I guess, and make different shapes and patterns.